over there.
No. I don't like it. Like this. Super dull. Didn't you get in trouble? Didn't we get in trouble for that class?
Yeah.
And he kicked us out.
Rather than doing that, write down what he is and what he is.
I remember that. He kicked us out.
Because he started stuttering like a snake.
The console.
You started stuttering.
That's not what it says. It's cheap to feel that. And you know it's cheap to feel that. It's not very good. Five spaces, five changes. Follow? Remember that.
Yeah. Aaron's diary.
You get dumped back side of that. If you haven't already picked one of these up, you can come up and pick one of these up and start working on it. If you're done with both sides of that worksheet,
Oh, yeah.
you can continue working on it.
I am going to visit.
Anybody having any problems with gradients?
No.
Let me go without shut up.
Anybody have a question? So you can work it.
Number 1 is 10, right?
What?
Number 1 is 10.
No.
Magic conch. No.
It's 40.
No.
Because it's smaller, so that means that it's
No.
bigger.
But look, depression, contour line, contour interval, 10 meters.
That's wrong. You did it. It goes by 10, so it'd be
You know
30.
that, okay? That question.
Yes, but A is right here.
Yeah, so it's on the line. You are. Where's my Sharpie? You need more.
Anybody asking you a lot of questions, so
Yeah, but look.
I'm going to assume that means you know most of what's going on.
And you did that 10.
Okay, first of all, this is A, okay?
So,
Okay.
can you give me some answers to the questions I asked? Some of the questions I asked will be exactly what's there, but I'm asking you to engage material with me. First off, what do we have here?
You look like a holy polka.
First off, what do we have here?
You look like cheese.
Topographic map showing me what? What is this?
Like moldy cheese. That's what
Line
you look like.
elevation showing me a mountain.
You mad
Flat
moldy.
and steep side, flat and gentle side.
Do you wear those? Do you change your skin when you go to church?
Up towards B, the line is close together. Where is it a little bit more gentle? What compass direction is it most gentle? Nope. Along that line, yes, southwest. But where is it most gentle on this map? North, west. Where the lines are what? farthest apart. That's why I was trying to get you to quickly see. So it looks good over here, knowing that if I go from A towards B, am I going uphill the whole time? I'm not. I go from 900 at A to 900 on the other side of the lake. Where do we all know, hopefully, water is going to be? At the highest elevation or the lowest elevation along the line? Water always goes to the lowest point. So if I'm going from here to here, aren't I going downhill, get my feet wet in the lake, and then go back uphill? And then so I keep going uphill all the way up here to the top of the mountain? And now what do I do as I continue my journey towards B? Downhill, quickly or slowly? Downhill quickly. Well done, thank you.
Yeah.
Because it's very what here? It's very steep. So which one of these pictures best shows that relationship? This one here. C is the correct answer. If you followed me at all in what I just did, you understand why this is the case, and you're not confused at all. If you didn't listen to anything I just said, and I just showed you I had the wrong answer, you're kind of clueless about it, you don't know why. This is a steep side. Oh, here, I'm pointing at. True or false? This is not so steep, isn't it? Is it? What is this showing me? A low area? What's sitting right in that low area? The lake. I go down from 900, through the lake, up to 900, continue up on a gentle slope, get to the top of the hill, down on a steep slope. It shows you the exact thing that you should notice along that line. All right, that's eyeballing a profile. You're also going to have to draw a profile. How many of you drew the profile on the other side? All right, good. We'll tackle that in a minute. What about one on this question? What is the highest possible elevation of point X? And it's not C. Those of you that chose C, you got it wrong. Is it asking about the highest contour, or is it asking about the highest possible point X?
The highest possible point.
Is this a flat hill? No. If it were a flat hill, the answer would be 1600. What are we supposed to remember about the top of the hill?
That it's pointy.
A little higher, it's pointed. It's a little higher than the last contour line. Can it be 1700? No, because if it were, there'd be another line. There's not. So we know that this elevation is higher than 1600, but a little lower than 1700. What's the best answer? B.
I wouldn't put that
Okay,
in
the gradient. They asked you about the gradient from C to D. Some of you had some trouble with this, why I gave it to you. Make sure you have the skill. If you don't know what to do for gradient right now, off the top of your head, where should you turn to get the right information? Front page of the reference tables. What is the equation we're supposed to use? Please say it out loud for me.
D and V.
Change in field value over distance. What are the field values that we're working with?
Nowhere near gradient.
1,500 and 1,000. You're going downhill. Steep or gentle? That's what gradient's asking you. So if you get a high value, if you get a high number when you're done, it's telling you it's very steep. If you get a low number when you're done, it means it's very gentle. With that said, what is the change in field value between C and D? It's 500. So you were supposed to show your work. So it should have been 500 and 500 feet. It tells you that up here. Elevations are measured in feet. If you weren't sure, make sure you look at the instructions when you're doing these things. Okay? And that's divided by a distance. Does everybody in the room remember how to find distance on a map? I'm going to show everybody quickly, and then we'll be done with that. C to D is the distance. I took my paper, mark it down. D. D. Look up here.
No.
You got moles on your feet.
Mark the point, find it on the scale. One of them marks on the 0, the other mark falls on 2. So what's the distance? 2 miles. So what do I put underneath here? Now, if you showed your work, like I asked you to show your work, you didn't need a calculator. That's why I asked you to show your work. Half the time, you don't need a calculator. If you write down your work all the time, you're going to get done with questions very, very, very much more quickly than you would if you're always reaching for a calculator.